So again, good morning. Sa changing the similar fractions to similar fraction, madali lang naman to dito, no? Let's have an example. Siyempre, sabi daw dito, dissimilar fractions. So magbibigay tayo ng example na dissimilar fraction. Let's say we have 1/2 and we have 1/3. Yan po yung dalawa nating dissimilar fractions. So i-convert natin into similar fraction. Tulad ng nire-review natin, as usual, siyempre, hahanapin muna natin yung LCD ng 2 and 3. Ano ba yung LCD? That is least common denominator. Tapos, pagkakuha ng least common denominator, paano pa maghanap ng least common denominator? Ang LCD po natin, that is our denominator. Pero yung LCD po, hinahanap po dun yung LCM ng mga denominator natin, which is 2 and 3. Ano ba yung mga multiples ng 2 and 3? So, hahanapin natin yung multiples ng 2 and 3. We have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and so on and so forth. Tama? Sunod, we have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and so on and so forth. So, yan po yung mga multiples natin. So, by finding our LCD, this common denominator, hinahanap po natin LCM, no? Which is least common multiple. Ano ba yung mga multiple? Ito yung mga multiples niya. 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Multiples of 2. Multiples of 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, and 15. But yung hinahanap po natin is list. Ano ba yung magkaparehong list sa kanila? We have, ano yung common? We have 6. Then yung 6 na yan, that would be our denominator. Kunin natin yung 6 para sa 1/2 and another denominator para dito sa 1/3. So, paano natin mahanap? So, ang gagawin po natin, from this denominator, yung 6, yung LCD na nakuha natin from both those three fractions here, gagawin natin, 6 divided by 2. I-divide daw po natin to. 6 divided by 2, magiging ilan na lang siya? Siyempre, magiging 3. Pakakuha mo ng 3, i-multiply natin sa numerator, which is 3 times 1, magiging 3 po, yun po ilalagay natin dito. So, we have 3/6. Tapos dito naman sa kabila, magkakaroon tayo ng 6 divided by 3, and i-divide po natin sila. Ang sagot po ay 2, i-multiply sa numerator, that's why 2 times 1 magiging 2. Therefore, yung sagot po natin is 3/6 and 2/6. Kasi dissimilar po sila. 1/2 po sila nung una and 1/3. Ngayon po, naging similar fractions po sila dahil magkapareho na yung denominator. So, yan po sa changing the similar fractions.